Let's take a look at this GRE quantitative comparison question. We're told that n is a positive integer, okay? And we want to know what's greater, quantity A, which is the remainder when n is divided by 5, or quantity B, which is the remainder when n plus 10 is divided by 5. Well, on these remainder questions, your best bet usually is to just test numbers out. So let's do that. What is a possible value of n? There are quite a few possible values. 1, 2, a billion, 513, right? But let's pick a nice small number, maybe 7, right? Let's just say that n is 7. Any positive integer will be fine. We want to know what the remainder is when 7 is divided by 5. Now, maybe you might be a little rusty on remainders, so here's a quick little review. If I have a deck of 7 cards and 5 people, and I want to start distributing cards out, each person is going to get 1 card, so it's evenly split, but then I'm going to have 2 left over. That 2 is my remainder, right? So after I've dealt out everyone the same amount, how many do I have left over? And then over here, I'm saying that n is 7, so that's going to be 17. When 17 is divided by 5, what's the remainder? Well, if I have 17 cards, I start dealing them out. Everyone gets 3, so I've dealt out 15 total, but then I have 2 left over, right? So once again, the remainder is 2. And I have a case where quantity A is equal to quantity B. Is that always going to be true? Well, yes, it is. And I'd encourage you to try a few more numbers just to prove this to yourself. But the way to see this in sort of a more categorical fashion is to see that we're dividing by 5 in both of these cases, right? And the only difference here is that we've added 10 more cards, which is divisible by 5. So everyone basically gets an additional 2 cards, and we don't add or take away from the number of cards left over. So the correct answer here is C. The 2 quantities are always equal. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my live online course, follow the link on my profile.